We will take a closer look at these awesome fixtures called SHEHDS 300 watt beam moving head with ring version. And what is that ring version? We're going to get into that soon. Also, try to find out what's new in these 300 watt fixtures. I mean, there are a lot of fixtures who are 300 watt already. We're going to find that out in this episode of All About Stage Shows.
All about stage shows.
Disclaimer: SHEHD sent me this fixture to try them out before they are even releasing it. I have complete right to share any opinion with you, even if that is bitter, so we will see. Let's start with my highlights. The beam is crazy. This got some fancy LED pixel there. They don't emit much, but perfectly make a beam source inside a bracket. It's so cool if you use it properly. The operating system inside the fixture is really smart. This has some features that can make your life easier. Speaking about the LED ring, this has enough inbuilt animation to go crazy whole show. Let's dive into detail of the fixture. Okay, this fixture is big and heavy because this is a 300 watt moving beam. Not a joke. The lens is fat and you can see prism if you look closer. The quality is good. On the face, we have the display. On the right, we have the buttons and they are not impressive. I think this is a pre-release version they have sent me and the final ones should have better buttons, I believe. So on the left side of the display, we have indicator LEDs and look what we have, an USB-C. Oh my god. On the back, from right, we have power con in and out and then DMX in and out. Okay, we have both 3-pin and 5-pin. This is impressive. This fixture has very good handles in both sides so that it's very easy to lift up and set up and maybe pack, unpack and carry. We have tons of fan inside the body, also inside the head. Coming to that. On the bottom, this fixture has a cool mount system inbuilt that makes it very easy to hang on a truss or take it off and place on a ground. Let's take a closer look at the most juicy part, the LED panel around the lenses. Okay, don't expect these tiny strips to light up the whole world, but they emit a certain glow and artistically that can be used to highlight the source of the beam. Isn't that crazy? Now let's take a look at other cool features of this fixture. Okay, check this out. This is a 6-color wheel on top of your color. Imagine having 20 of this fixture doing these beams on a huge stage. Oh, that's gonna be crazy. Again, if done right. Another nice thing I found is there's a function, if you enable that, the display orientation is gonna swap automatically. And this make me ask, why don't other fixture do this same simple tech? The build quality is cool. I think the price won't be that less either. Makes sense. Now let's put this fixture into 19 channel mode and try it with a DMX controller. Now let's check out what's included with each fixture in the box. You get one standard power con cable, you get one standard DMX cable. Cons. Okay, straight up bitter words. I have used other SHEHD fixtures and I believe the physical buttons of this fixture could have been lot better, cause SHEHD already used nicer buttons in another fixture. I'm going to talk about that later, and I hope they are going to upgrade this part pretty soon. Subscribe to our channel for more product review and buying guide. And hi, my name is Zunayed Sabbir Ahmed. I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. Check out this video next where I have explained an amazing fixture by SHEHDS called wall wash. Actually, I've been using them in the background the whole video. Check them out.